Unknown and lesser known facts about crow. Contrary to popular belief, crows aren't solitary creatures. They're social birds, living in large families. They possess advanced problem solving skills. Research has shown crows can use tools to get food, a trait rare among birds. Crows also have exceptional memory. They remember human faces, and if threatened, they communicate danger to their flock. Interestingly, crows hold funerals for their dead. They gather around, cawing loudly to mourn and learn about threats. So, next time you see a crow, remember,